Tuning your engine 1X384 engine turn. Engine turning good. Alternator is good, no damage, no broken. Power steering pump, no broken, no anything damaged. Diesel pump, didn't see any damages from outside. Same as well the starter here, no problem. And the water pipe here, there is no orange pipe inside, no problem. From this side also good, no problem. On top didn't see any damages, very nice, very good. Same as well here. And down here the oil sump, the gearbox also good, no problem. And the engine is turning good.